guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device, Redmagic 9S Pro. To do it, open settings, calendar application. Now we can change view for a month to be easy to add. And tap on day when we want to add it, maybe 26th of August. There this plus icon and event. First step, add title of your event. There we can add this event to our group on Gmail, friends and calendar. There we can set when event starts and finish, in which time, or we can set by switch on, it will be all day event. Repeat of that if we need it. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts, add location of that, maybe notification 1 week before at 9, and we can add more than one and customize what you prefer. There we can change color of our notification, which we see about that event, description to then and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press save and we have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.